Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Python built-in modules. These are libraries that come pre-installed with Python and can save you tons of time and effort. Stick around because I'll not only introduce the concept but also show you some practical example to make this journey fun and engaging. So we'll get started by understanding what built-in modules are and why they are so powerful. Built-in modules are Python's way of giving you a toolbox packed with pre-written functions and classes to perform common tasks. They save you from reinventing the wheel. Examples include math, OS, datetime, and many more. You don't need to install them, just import and use them. With just a single import statement, you unlock a wealth of functionality. So we'll explore these examples one by one. First of all, we start with the math module. The math module is great for performing mathematical operations. We'll see this in action. Here's what we are doing. Math.sqrt16 gives the square root of 16. Math.py gives us the value of pi, handy for calculations involving circles. And math.factorial computes a factorial of a number. Similarly, we'll see this OS module which helps us to interact with the operating system. With os.getCwd shows you the current directory. os.listdir lists all files and folders in the directory, and os.makedir creates a new folder with the given name. The third one is the datetime function. It is very good for working with date and times. Here's what's happening. Datetime.datetime.now gives the current date and time. strftime lets you format the date in any way you like, and time delta days equal to 7 adds 7 days to the current date. Now it's your turn. Which modules would you like for the following task? Find the greatest common divisor of two numbers, check if a file exists, and calculate the difference between two sides. Pause the video and then comment the answer below. Here are the actual answers. Use math.gcd for greatest common divisor. Use os.path.exist to check if a file exists, and use datetime for date difference. And there you have it. Built-in modules in Python are incredibly powerful and easy to use. Today we explored just a few examples, but there's so much to discover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.